Now everything is fine now, guys. Use the chat box. Okay. So inside that, okay, if we want to, what is that? If we want to drop the table, right? If we want to drop the table in what database, then for that, what method we will use? Execute method we will use. Okay, we will use what is that? Execute method now, guys. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so next one is what? Next method. Let's see the next method. Okay, so what is that? Next method will be second method. I'm taking, right? Second method. So its return type is what? Int return type will be there. Okay, no, like this I will take. Okay. So what is that? Its return type is what? Void. Execute method return type is what? Void. So update. Someone is unmuted. Please mute yourself. Subham. Subham, mute yourself. Here what? Update method is there, right? Here what? Update method is there. Its return type is what? Int, right? Its return type is what? Int. So using what is that? Using what is that? Update method. Which kind of operation we can perform now? DML. DML, right? DML means DML. What kind of operation? Insert, update, and what is that? Delete. If we want to perform what is that this operation, then what is that this method we will take, and this method is the argumented method now, guys. Okay, this one is what? Argumented method. I forget to take it, right? This method is what? Argumented method. Now fine now, guys, using what is that? Using in the database, right? In the database, what is that? The record will be there, right? Record will be there. Okay, so I want what is that? To insert the record, delete the record. What is that? Which method we will take? Update method we will take. Okay, so fine now, guys. So okay, so now from here onward, okay, let's see that. Okay, so fine now. Okay, so now, guys. Okay, so okay, from the database, right? From the database, I want one record. Just think about that. One table is there. Okay, so I'm taking what is that? Just I'm taking what is that? SNO, right? This is the SNO. S name is there. S name is there, right? S name, and what is that? SP. SP is there, right? This is the what is the this is the record. Okay, I will take the some name from here only. Okay, this is the table is there, right? This is the table is there. In the table, right? In the table, what is that? Serial number one. I'm taking the name. What is that? Padma. Padma fees. Just I'm taking what is that? 100, right? Another serial number I'm taking. What is that? Two I'm taking, right? Two I'm taking. What is that? Suraj, right? So the fees also again I'm taking. What is that? 200. Another one is what? Another one more record I'm taking. Third I'm taking, right? third I'm taking what is that Raj. Another one, what is that? The fees is just 50, right? Another one is what? One more I'm taking. What is the fourth? Sudhir. Sudhir, right? So here, what is that? Just 30. Okay. So like this. Okay. This is the record is there in the database, right? In the database. So if we want to, what is that? Delete one record, right? Delete one record. So for that, update method is there. So what is that? Update the record. Any record, if you want to update it, update method will be there. If you want to delete one, what is that record? What is that? Update method will be there. Okay. So no, I want what is that? Select one record, right? Select what is that? I want what is that? Select what is that? One record. I want to select one record. Okay. I want to select this one record, right? So in what is that? Key and value format. What is that, guys? Now key and value format. So for that, what method we will use now, guys? So for that, what method we will use now? Okay, this is the third, right? Third, what method we will use? Query for what is that? Map. This is the method, and its return type is what is that? Map collection, guys. Okay, this return type is what? Map, right? So it will select what is that? One record, right, from the database. In which format? Key and value format. So what is that look like? How it will look like now? Whenever it will selecting the record from the database, right? Whenever it will selecting the record from the database, what how it look like now? So this what is that? This row will become key. What is that? SNO. Another one is what? S name. Another one is what? SP, right? And what is that? The data will become what is that? Value. We know that key is what? Key is what, guys? Not duplicate, but value can be duplicate, right? Then, and what is that? Our map collection in the Java map collection, right? How our data will be stored in the key and the value format, right? Here, what is that? Key and what is that? Value, right? And here just I want to select what is that? Record number one. So record number one, what is that? SNO will become one, and here the data will become what? Padma. And what is that? Fee will become what is that? 100. Okay. So like this, if we use what is that query for map, then it will return what is that? It will select the data from the database in what is that? Map collection. And what is that? All, what is that? All row, like what is the serial number, serial name, what is the student name, and the student fee will become what? Key. And what is that? Inside this, what is that? The value, whatever value will become, whatever data will become, those data will become what is that? Value now. Okay. So but what is that? One record, only one record we can select it. Okay. At a time, what is that? Using this method, what is that? Only one record we can select it now. Okay. So fine now, guys. So okay. No. Hey, Ravikant, you are saying that only one record. No, I want to select what is the total record, right? I want to select what is the total record from the database, right? I want to select what is the total record from the database. So for that, any method is there? Yeah, of course, method is there. Okay, so let's see that method. Okay, I want what is the total method, total what is the record to select from the database. Okay, so what is that third method? Fourth. Okay. So, so selecting total record for that, what is the query? Query for what? Query for list, right? Its return type is what? List. Okay, its return type is what? List. Okay. So this one will perform what is that? This one will perform what is that? Using what is the query for list? It will perform what is that? All. It will select what is that? List of what? Means all objects. Whatever data will be there in the database, using what is that query? It will perform what is that? All data, right? It will give to our application what? All data now. Okay, fine now, guys. So fine now. Query for list, right? Query for list, internal implementation, right? You want to see or you want to know internal how it will convert. Okay, so just think about that, right? One, two, three, four record is there, right? These four record, whenever we will use whenever we will use what? Query for list method, right? Query for list method, it will convert, right? What is that? All object in what? List. All object in what is that? List, right? All record from the list collection. This one is what? List collection. Okay. Then it will give to our application. Then it will give to our application like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. So okay, query farmer. Okay, no. Hey, Ravikant, I want to select one record only in the object file. Only I want to select what is that one record in the object format. So for that, any method is there? Yes, of course is there. What is that? What method is there for to perform what is that one record from the database? One record from the database in the object manner, right? Object manner. So for that, five. Okay, five. So what method is there? Query for what? Query for what? Object. Query for what? Object, right? Query for object method. Okay. So it will take one record and it will convert that record in what? Object format, right? It will convert that record in what? Object format, right? So now using this method, right, we can perform the operation now. Okay. So let's create one application and let's do the practical on this one. Okay. Let's do the practical on this one. Okay. So now till now, anyone having any doubt, let me know that.
Clear.
Right. Now callback method, callback interface also there. Next level discussion will be there, guys. Next level discussion will be there, right? I need to drink water, guys. I'm unmuting. Just give 1 minute. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Okay, so what we will do now, let's based on this discussion, right? Based on this discussion, first what we will do now, we will create the object. Okay, so we know that what is that stereotype annotation, right? Based on that modularity, what we are doing now, we are performing what, guys? What we are performing now, we are using what is that stereotype annotation. So one stereotype annotation I'm going to use. What is that repository? Repository, and what is the service in there? At the rate service, at the rate component, at the rate component, at the rate controller, at the rate test controller. These are the what? These five are what? Stereotype annotation. It will if we place on the top of what class, by default, what is that? Our IOC container will create the object of that class. So for that, what is that? We are going to use what is that? At the rate repository and the what? At the rate component. These two annotation I'm going to use in this application. So now let's see that how we can what is that? How we can create the project about what is that Spring Boot using what is that now by using for the this application, right? So now right click, sorry, new, take the starter project, take the Spring starter project now. Okay, so here what we are going to do now, Spring Boot JDBC, what? JDBC application, right? Application. Now fine, now guys. Now next, what is that? We will select here what? We will select first API, JDBC, right? JDBC API. Select first one, JDBC API. Another one more need. What is that? To interacting, I'm going to work on what? Oracle, right? So search Oracle, Oracle driver. Select Oracle driver, right? Select Lambok also, because in future it will need, right? In future, what is that? If you want to work on what is that? Oracle, MySQL, guys. Okay, MySQL. So you have to search here MySQL starter, right? MySQL driver will be there. Yeah, MySQL, right? If you want to work on Postgre database, Postgre, then select like that. Okay, so I'm going to work on what is thing. What is that? Sorry, JDBC Oracle database, right? JDBC what? Oracle. So for that, these two starters we will select it. Okay. So now next, now finish. You people are feeling bored or something you are learning now, guys. Project is creating now, guys, because of that. Till now, whoever not did the practical, right? No problem, guys. From here onward, everyone do the practical. From here onward, guys. From here onward, guys, please do the practical. Cheat everyone, guys. Okay, cheat everyone, but don't cheat yourself. Okay, don't cheat yourself. Just do the practical. Do the practical. Okay. Still project is creation is going on, guys. Okay, because of that, I'm talking to you people. Otherwise, I can start it. Actually, net slow is there, Juby, right? Because of that, it's taking time. 26% only project is created, right? Our dependency is loading now. So because of that first time, right? Only one time, it will take time much. So they actually after ending right after ending that what I will take every day morning and night. After night it's not possible for me because at the office sometime in the office I'm office time whenever deployment will be there, right? At that time I will busy with what is that I'm busy with what near about 11 o'clock 11 12 o'clock 1 o'clock like that I'm busy in the office work, right? But morning time I will decide 1 hour every day I will take what is that project session after what is that spring boot mbc and what is that spring rest after completing Spring Boot MBC and a Spring Rest. Okay, Spring Boot Rest in this session, this batch only. Maybe you can expect after ending of this month. Yes, Sudhir. Ending of May month. Okay. Because 1 week will total 1 week because today I will try to complete what is the total JDBC module, right? So next weekend I will try to complete what is the total data JPB, but the data JPE will take much time. That model is a little bit big. And boot Spring MBC, right? Boot MBC also big chapter and the rest also big chapter. These two chapter are big. So means I can expect what is that 3 to 4 week will take. Okay, 3 to 4 week weekend will take to complete these three modules. These three module, right? 3 week, okay. Three Spring Boot MVC is a big chapter. I can't compromise there because based on that only you will what get a job in the company, right? So I can't compromise those areas. Yes, yes. After MVC only. Yeah, Shubham, microservices, right? Microservices, there is no problem in that. Okay, microservices we will take. Okay, in the weekend only. But in the project, right? In the project microservices, okay, I will try to touch what is that microservices also because but that is the right real time project whatever I will take, right? That is the in that project microservices model is not there in here, right? Okay, I will see. Okay, I will see if any possibility is there, then we will implement microservices also in that project. Okay, rest is there. Rest based on that rest implementation we are done. Saturday also. Okay, we will see that. Okay, today we will see that. Okay, project is created now, guys. Let's move on. Okay, let's move on. So I said that, right? I want to perform what is that Oracle database operation. My connectivity will be there in what? What is that? My database, right? Oracle database. So what is that? What is that? Spring JDBC, right? This one. Okay, open this one and come inside that what? Come inside that what? My dependency. Uh, OJDBC. Okay, fine, fine, fine. This one here, right? So now fine now guys. So here what we will do now, come inside that resource, open the property file and open the browser also. Okay. So here what we will do now, URL, Oracle URL we will take, right? Okay, guys. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on. So now fine now, guys. So okay. So here I have need to check what is that. This is my database, Oracle database, right? This is what my Oracle database. Connect, connect system, right? So now select. There is no table. Oh, sorry. Table are view now clear. Okay, guys. So this is our database is there, right? This is our database. I want to connect, but what is that? Select, select star from global underscore name XC, right? Our database XC global underscore global name is what? My database global name is what? XC is there, right? Fine now. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on and we will see this. Okay, we will see this. Okay, so now fine now, guys, come here in the to connect what is the database, what is that spring dot what is the data source dot what is that data source what driver hyphen what class is there, right? Class name, right? Class name. So what we will give the class name now, guys? Don't remember these things, okay? This one you have to copy from what? Internet only. Driver class name is what? Oracle. Oracle to loading the driver, right? So now copy from the internet only. Copy this one and come here and paste it, okay? Now another key is what? Spring dot data source. Spring dot data source what? Data source dot what? URL. My system is hanging now. URL, right? Yeah, URL. Guys, my system getting slow. Okay, because okay. So what is that URL now? What is the URL now, guys? Come on the internet, right? What is that? JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon localhost 1520 XC global ID XC only, right? So now come here and paste. And another one more is there. What? Spring. What is that? Spring data source dot username. My database system. SYSTEM, right? One more key. What is that? Spring dot. What is that? Data source. Password also. System, right? System. Now this key we have need to write in the property file. Okay. Whenever we will write this key in the property file now, guys, what kind of operation we will complete it now? These operation we completed. What is that? Till now, this all configuration we completed from here to here, right? From here to here, we completed this all operation now, guys. Okay, these all operation we completed. We don't have need to configure. That's it by using what is that? If we just think about that, if we want to work on that, what is that? Using what is that Java configuration or Spring application. So we have need to configure these things. But what is that? Just think about that. Just by writing what is that 4 line of property. 4 line of property, that much operation is completed. Means everything will come as what? Everything is will come as what? Auto configuration mode. Everything will come as what? On auto configuration mode, guys. Okay. So now fine now. So next one is what? So next one, let's come to write what is that? These things. Okay. Let's what is that? Let's write what is that com.architect is student DAO class, right? So now come in the application now here. Now I'm creating the one package. Right click, new class. Sorry, interface, right? Okay, no problem. Com.architect DAO, right? So here what I'm taking ISTUDENT, right? Student DAO. I'm taking the interface, right? Don't worry, I will. Okay, so this is the interface. Yeah, so by default it will take Hikari data source. Okay, somebody is doing this kind of things. Okay, please on the screen. Okay. So here what is that iStudent interface is there. Then what we will do now, we will create it the implementation class. Right click, new class. Here I'm taking what com dot rk dot what is that dao dot impl. Here I'm taking what is that student dao impl, right? Impl. This is the class. So now fine now guys, come here. What is the relation will be there is a relation. So how we can stable in between we will implement, right? We will implement that what is that I student DU. So fine now guys, so next one is what come here, right? I don't want to create the object, right? Who will create? Our container will create. So what annotation we will apply, because this is the DAO layer, right? So for that, what is that repository annotation we will apply on the top of what? This class. Now fine now guys, after then come here, right? After then come here, what is that? Here, which relation is there between what is that? Which relation is there between what is that JDBC template using what is that JD? What is that in student DAO? That what is that? Is a relation is there. Then what we will do now? Private JDBC template. JDBC template JT, right? JT. So this is the object. So how we can inject it? We will make the auto wire. We will make here what? Auto wire, right? Fine. Okay, now fine now guys. So the till now the things is completed, right? So the till now things is completed now guys. Okay. So now let's perform our operations, right? Let's perform our operation. If you run this application, you will not get the anything, but what is that? Our application will run smoothly. We will not get any error on the console because all configuration we completed now, guys. Okay, all configuration we completed now. So now from here onward, what we are going to do now? We are going to perform the operation now. So see this, we are not getting any error. So this is the configuration done now, guys. Okay, our project configuration is done now. So till now, anyone having any doubt? Till now, anyone having any doubt? Let me know that, friend. Okay, so now you people want break because two are completed, right? You people want break or shall I continue?
Yeah, 20 minutes break.
Okay, okay. So let's do one thing. Okay, we will reconnect at what? We will reconnect ourselves as what? For what is that? 4:30 only, right? 4:30. Take 30-minute break, guys. Okay, take 30-minute break. Okay. Okay, we will reconnect ourselves and we will complete today. What is that? Our Spring JDBC. Okay. With this intention, join the session, guys. Now, today we will complete it totally module, right? Spring JDBC.
4:30, right?
Yeah, 4:30 in the group also. I will tell what is that. Let's connect now. Okay. Now setup we just completed. From the main story will be there from here onward. Okay. Main story will be there. So for that, whatever we till now expend near about 2 hours, right? 2 hours we expend time. Okay. So everything, every usage will be there here. Okay. I will show the Hikari also. Hikari implementation H and everything I will show you. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Anything. Okay. Everything after ending the session, everything I will clear. Yeah, by default is Hikari only. In Spring Boot, if you are using by default Hikari, data source will be there. So let's stop the session here only and we will reconnect ourselves as what? 4:30, right? 4:30 and I will tell. Okay, let's connect and join it. Okay, join it, guys. Okay, don't miss the session.